all graph enumeration problems fall into two categories. Counting the number of different graphs of a particular type, that is with the help of their properties. Second one, counting number of subgraphs of a given graph with certain properties insisted. Let us consider the problem of counting all simple graphs with n vertices and e edges. There are n into n minus 1 by 2 unordered pairs of vertices. That means we can have n into n minus 1 by 2 edges in this graph. If we want to have e edges, then we have a choice n into n minus 1 by 2 C e. So that many number of graphs we can construct on n vertices with e edges. Let us consider the example when n equal to 3, e equal to 2, n into n minus 1 by 2 is 3. That means we can have 3c2, that is 3 graphs. They are the given ones. Here edge between A and B, B and C. Here edge between A and B and A and C. Here edge between A and C, B and C. Now counting number of simple labeled graphs on n vertices. We can have 2 power n into n minus 1 by 2 such graphs. Proof is very simple. Simple graph on n vertices, we can have n into n minus 1 by 2 edges. Consider n into n minus 1 by 2 equal to k. So we can have a graph on n vertices with 0 edges. So out of k possible edges, we select no edge. So we can have kc0 number of graphs. Similarly, number of graphs with only one edge is kc1. Number of graphs with 2 edges is kc2. Number of graphs with k edges is kck. We shall add all these numbers. Using binomial theorem, we get the sum equal to 2 power k. We can give alternate proof here. See, there are k possible edges. Each edge may be there, may not be there. That means we have two choices. So there are k such places. So each place has two choices. Therefore, we have 2 power k choices. Here k equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, thus proving the statement. Now we take the problem of counting labeled trees on n vertices. We know that a tree is a connected graph with no cycles. There are n into n power n minus 2 such labeled trees. See, for example, how many trees with 3 vertices? So it is 3 power 1, that means 3 such trees. So the examples are here ABC, ACB and BAC. Proof of the above theorem is an algorithmic construction. We consider n vertex tree with the labels 1 to n. Choose the pendant vertex with the smallest label. Okay. Say A1. Now this pendant vertex A1 is joined with vertex B1. Now we record the vertex B1 and remove pendant vertex A1. After removing pendant vertex A1, we get another tree with the n-1 vertices. We repeat the above operation. Let A2 be the pendant vertex with the smallest label now. So this A2 is connected with the vertex B2. So record the label B2. So thus we have two labels recorded, B1 and B2. Remove that edge. So remove the edge connecting A2 and B2. So continue this operation till n-2 vertices are removed, each time recording the vertices B1, B2, etc. Bn-2. Thus we associate an n-2 tuple of labels with the given tree T. We see that in this example, a tree on 4 vertices labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. The smallest pendant vertex here is 2, that is attached to vertex 1 with label 1. So record this label 1. Now delete this particular edge 2 to 1 and obtain a new tree with 1 vertex less. Repeat the operation. Here smallest label of pendant vertices is 3, that is attached to vertex 1. Therefore record this label 1. Thus we have recorded two labels, 1 and 1. Continuing this step, we remove the edge 1 to 3 and obtain the graph 1, 4. Here we have to stop the process because there are only 2 vertices left. At this juncture we are left with recorded labels 1, 1. So this 2 tuple is associated with given graph uniquely. Conversely, given a sequence of n-2 labels, we will construct a tree on n vertices. First we consider the number of sequences 1, 2, 3, n. Then we find the first number in this sequence which does not appear in the given sequence of labels. Let this number be A1 and we construct edge between A1 and first label B1. Remove B1 from the given sequence of labels, then A1 from our new sequence. In the remaining sequence, we again find first number that does not appear in the remainder. So this we call it A2 and we construct edge between A2 and B2. This construction is continued till no element is left free in the given sequence. Finally, we are left with only two vertices. Thus, for a given n minus 2 tuple, we have associated a tree on n vertices. Thus, there is one-to-one correspondence between set of labeled trees on n vertices and set of n minus 2 tuples. Now let us count how many such n minus 2 tuples are possible. In n minus 2 tuple, each entry can have n choices. Therefore, there can be n power n minus 2 such n minus 2 tuples, which results there can be n power n minus 2 labeled trees. In this tree on 9 vertices, smallest label is 2, which is attached to vertex labeled 1. So we record label 1. After removing this edge 1 to 2, we obtain new graph in which smallest label is 4, which is attached to 1. So we record vertex 1 again. Thus we have recorded 1, 1. Now after removing 1, 4, we obtain a new graph in which smallest label is 1, which is attached to vertex 3. Therefore we record vertex 3 and we get label 1, 1, 3. Proceeding this way, we obtain next stage this graph, which gives you label 5 and label 5 again, then label 5 again, then the last vertex label 9. Here are two problems for exercise. Answers are given. Try these problems. Now we shall try to construct a tree for a given n minus 2 tuple. See here a tree tuple 4 to 4 is given. Okay. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4 as a new sequence. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, it is smallest number not appearing in the given sequence is 1. So we join this 1 with the first label 4 and construct the edge 1, 4. So we remove these two numbers 1 and 4 respectively, and we have now new sequence 2, 3, 4, 5 and given labels 2 and 4. Smallest label appearing, first label appearing is 3 here, 3, which doesn't appear here. So we join 3 and 2. Thus we obtain two edges. After removing 3 and 2 from the two sequences, we have the sequence 2, 4, 5 and 4. Now the smallest number is 2. We join this with 4. And we remove these two numbers. Here is an exercise for you. You can try these problems. The first one, you have a 3 tuple So you have to get a 5 vertex tree with the labels 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, the second one with the 4 labels, so you have to get a tree with 6 vertices. Try this problem.